In this video, we'll look at the process for installing your frame clamp into a wheelchair with a rail system. I'll be using the Permobil version, but there are other chairs that use the same installation method. Quantum and Invacare will use a T-nut. There's different sizes of these. There's small ones or longer ones that will slide into the rail of the chair. For this installation with Permobil, I'll be using the hex nut version. To do this install, you'll need the adapter ring and bolts that came with your frame clamp, as well as whatever nuts you're using on the back. Before you get started, you may need to remove the end caps off of your chair. I've already taken this one out, but those just pull out. If you have other accessories, you may need to move those as well. Consult with your PT or your wheelchair vendor if you're not sure how to remove those items. You'll also need your red T-handle wrench. So the trick with these when installing is to make sure that you loosely thread the nut onto the bolt so that there's a lot of room for movement as you try to slide this in. So I'm just going to align the 4 bolts here and the nuts on the back side. And with these hex nuts, I just have to rotate them a little bit so that they align with the track. Once I get those aligned, I can slide the clamp into place. Now with the red T-handle wrench, I can tighten these in nice and evenly. Give them a final check. And you're ready to continue with the rest of your installation. Now, if you did remove any accessories, you may want to test the fit of your mount first and make sure all your angles are correct before you reinstall all the other pieces that you may have removed prior to installing the mount. Once that's all set, you're ready to continue with your mount installation.